Welcome to Free Advice Tech. In this video you're gonna watch the top 6 features of Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Let's jump in. Number 6. 1.5K curved display. Experience ultra-smooth visuals on a stunning curved screen for immersive viewing. Number 5. 100% true colors approved by Pantone. Enjoy lifelike colors with Pantone-certified accuracy for a true-to-life display. Number 4. World's first true color Sony LYT700C camera. Capture vibrant and natural photos with the world's first Pantone-validated Sony LYT700C sensor. Number 3. IP69 highest water protection, designed to withstand extreme conditions with the highest level of water resistance. Number 2. Corning Gorilla 7i protection, built tough with Gorilla Glass 7i for superior durability and scratch resistance. Number 1. IP68 underwater protection, designed to survive underwater submersion for enhanced durability. 3-colored model, available in a stylish trio of colors to match your personality. Fire! Stay updated with the latest tech insights. Subscribe to Free Advice Tech channel. Rocket!